goes down. If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow the sunset, will it ever end? Does the moonlight shine on parents?
Ayun na, ang request ni Crystal. Thank you. So, ito na yung request. Sanong po kayo ng alinman po dito sa gift sa taas. Thank you, Crystal, sa pag-request. Nag-stop SR ko na po na nag-delete pa ka ng SR. Naku, pasensya na. Puro na kami yung nasa ano mo. Puro na kami yung nandyan. Sa ano mo. Okay, Maya guys, request lang po. Send lang po kayo ng gifts. Ito medyo upbeat naman to. Feeling ko alam nyo to eh. Siyempre old songs nga tayo ngayon, di ba? Thank you po sa pag-tap, sa pag-share. Alam niyo to?
For all the years that I've known you, baby, I can figure out the reason why lately you've been acting so cold. Didn't you say there's a problem, should work it out? So why you giving me the cold shoulder now? Like you don't even wanna talk to me, girl. Tell me, again, I know I was late again. I made him mad and didn't throw it in the pen, but you're making this a drag on so long. I wanna know, I'm sick and tired of the silly games. The figure that I'm gonna want him to play.
Ano daw? Hindi ko kabisado eh.
That's when you turn and said to me, I don't care, babe, who's right or wrong. I just don't love you no more. Rain outside my window pouring down, but now you're gone, my fault, I'm sorry. Feeling like a fool cause I let you down. Now it's too late to turn it around. I'm sorry for the tears I make you cry. I guess this time it really is goodbye. You made it clear when you said I just don't love you no more.
On the Wings of Love, grabe naman yun. Hi, Pia! Guys, sa mga gusto mag-request, send lang po kayo ng gifts.
Okay, I know that I made mistakes, but never thought that things would turn out this way. Cause I'm missing something and now you're gone. You at the door with your instinct. Give me my reasons, but I still look away. I can see tear roll down on your face. That's when you turned and said to me, I don't care, babe, who's right or wrong. I just don't love you no more. Rain outside my window pouring down, but now you're gone, my fault, I'm sorry. Feeling like a fool cause I let you down. To turn it around, I'm sorry for the tears I make you cry. I guess this time it really is goodbye. You made it clear when you said I just don't love you no more. Upside down, girl, you caught me completely off guard. On the night you said to me, I just don't love you no more.
Ito naman. Ano bang gusto niyong old songs? Dali, wag kayo mahiya mag-request.
Too late to turn it around. I'm sorry for the tears I make you cry. I guess this time it really is goodbye.
pogi natin ngayon, Tals. Ngayon lang Oy, salamat po. Ay, later. Sige po, alam niyo po, Beauty Touch. Walang biro, yung mga request niyo po, favorite ko yan. Simula yung mga, lahat po ng nire-request niyo, favorite ko po. Lalo na to later. Para lipo-lipi, favorite ko yan talaga. Sige. Nakakatuwa naman yung mga request niyo. Thank you po ulit sa pagre-request. Salamat po. Huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-request, guys. Saan lang po kayo ng gifts.
How could you come with me when you know all along that you had to go? How could you watch me sleep so close to you, pretending not to know? How could you memorize my name and forget who I am? How could you think you're still the same? Believing I can't, it's too late to stop pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain, later than never to love you again. How could you ask for more with an innocent smile, trusting me to stay? How could you close the door and leave me here, supposing I'm okay? How could you break down my disguise and uncover my fears? How could you look into my eyes, ignoring my tears? It's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than a sunset, later than the rain, later than never to love you again.
Ang taas naman yung bakit ba ikaw? Chill-chill lang tayo. Welcome back, Sophia.
It's too late to stop pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than a sunset, later than the rain, later than never to love you again.
Gusto po mag-request ng song? Ito po yung goals natin. Alin man po dyan yung isend niyo, pwede na po kayo mag-request ng song. Thank you, guys. Thank you po sa mga nag-request. Salamat po, Team Beauty Touch. Perfect. Ano pa pong request niyo? Naghahanap-hanap lang din ako dito habang wala pang nagre-request. Kung pwede lang. Hindi ko alam yun eh. Hello po, Tita Cecil. Baka meron po kayong request? Surreal. Shout out sa'yo, Scholar. Shower me with your love. Sige. Sige po. You know the drill. Go up. Sige po, TV retouch. Yon, thank you po. Ayan na nga ang signal. Salamat po. Ano nga yun? Kalimutan ko. Ano nga yun? Shower me with your love, no? Shower me with your love.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Send lang kayo dito ng gift.
I am Gemini.
Send lang kayo ng gifts, guys, para kantahin ko yung songs na gusto nyong ipakanta. Ano?
What can I help you find or do on YouTube?
Heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall.
But you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being.
We'll live forever. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that I long for. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love I've been waiting for.
Salamat po. Zardy!
I close my eyes and pray all my wishes come true.
Casper!
Every night I go to sleep until you're mine.
Thank you, Beth.
I'll wait for you endlessly.
Thank you, T. Precious. Thank you.
Can't you see fairy tales they do sometimes come true if you believe it could happen to you like the stars that shine way up in the sky. Our love will live forever. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that I long for. Shower me with your love.
Grabe naman yan.
Shower me with the love I've been waiting for.
Grabe naman yung ang layo naman ng ano. Casper! Maligo na! Pag ganto-ganto pa kasi ng damit, naiinitan na tuloy ako. Nakapantalon pa ako, hindi naman kita.
Like the stars that shine way up in.
Thank you po, Balenciaga.
Our love will live forever. Live for everybody sing with me. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love I've been waiting for.
Oy, thank you, Casper. Anong request mo? Anong request mo? Kinakabahan naman ako sa request ni Casper. Konti na lang, kuya, magkamukha na kayo ni Stel. Uy, grabe naman. Ang pogi-pogi ni Stel, guys. Parang ngayong gabi nga, parang ang kamukha ko si Makmak eh. Kilala niyo si Makmak, di ba? Yung sa The Voice Kids. Kahit ano, sige. Dahil old songs tayo ngayon, old song din yung kakantahin ko Para kay Casper, thank you sa pag-send. Grabe naman sa Makmak. Di ba nga kamukha ko si Makmak? Ang pipiliin kong coach ay si Coach Tim! Wait lang hanap lang ako ng ng kanta na para kay Casper. Coach Tim! Wait lang hanap lang ako. Ay, ito. Hindi ko alam kung alam to ni Casper, pero ito yung kinanta ni Jol eh. Kinanta to ni Jol. Sana alam nyo to. Jol, andito ka ba, Jol? Ito yung kinanta mo sa live. Shoutout naman, boses Stel. Hello po, cash out? Bakit cash out yung nasasabi ko? Kamukha mo nga. Hello po, shoutout po, Ate Beauty Touch. Salamat po. Pag sinendan ka sana ng GIF, dapat sumigaw ka din gaya ng pagsigaw ni Tian. Anong gift? Ganon. Hello po. Thank you po. Hello po mga capsicum. Si Tian. Kamukha mo si Bintana. Madami nasasabi kamukha ko si Bintana. Jol, andito ka ba, Jol? Eto, Casper, para sa'yo to.
Itchy and sore throat? Pwedeng dahil...
Sana alam nyo to. Pero feeling ko alam nyo to kasi... Kasi kinanta na to ni Jol eh. Tinatawag niyo si Tia. Hello po, mga capsicum. Ma'am Lovey! Ganun siya. Andito si Jol tulog. Yun lang. Super Mario. Ay, nag-umpisa na pala, hindi ko napasukan. Wait lang, balik natin.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always thought that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard world, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Oy, sakto, Casper.
Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and leaves without a doubt. I could move a mountain, someone who tell the truth. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Naiyak naman ako. Nagisip tuloy yung nanay ko. Nakakaiyak.
Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. So one who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt I can move a mountain. Someone to tell the truth. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Namiss ko tuloy yung nanay ko. Anyway. Thank you, Casper. Thank you. Gusto niyo pa ma-request? Huwag kayong mahiya. Baka mamaya mapaiyak na talaga ako dito. Naiihi na ako, guys. Wait lang, iihi lang ako. Quick ihi lang ah. Quick ihi lang talaga. Wait lang. Ito na. Miss mo naman ako agad. Salamat po. Salamat po, Team Mitsuka. Ano pong request nyo, guys? Uy, may pa-treasure box. Tama ba? May treasure box. Oo nga. Thank you, Casper. May nakuha akong 1 coin. Thank you. Okay. Ano, may request kayo? Kakanta muna ako ng ano. Habang wala pang nagre-request. Ito feeling ko alam nyo to. Siyempre, mga matatanda na tayo eh. Kaso hindi ko alam yung bridge nito banda eh. Thank you, Tasanya. Hindi ko alam eh. Oo nga, ganyan naman kayo.
Your thorns won't let love in too soon. I call you Rose. Can I call you Rose? Can I call you? 'Cause your roots have the power to consume. Can I call you me? I wanna plant you in my heart. Oh, so let it grow. 'Cause your thorns won't let love in too soon.
part na to eh.
Will tomorrow bring?
Ito, hindi ko alam itong part na to.
Just one time.
Inanto ka na.
I'll be there for you.
Yun.
I'll be there for you. In the palm of your hand, don't ever let it go. And the stars won't shine anymore. I'll be there. The rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go.
Hindi ko na alam.
When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there.
Thank you, Casper. Grabe ka, boss mo po si Stel, lalo kapag nakapikit. Uy, huwag ka na lang dumilat. Good night, guys. Thank you, Casper. Wala na kayong gusto i-request? Okay, gusto nyo, kasi pag all songs kasi madalas kasi ballad siya, di ba? So, nakakaantok talaga. Ito, pang ano? Ito, love song. Para sa mga grabe magmahal. Song po ni Kyla. Sige po, mag-send lang po kayo ng kahit ano dito sa gifts. Kakantahin ko po. Paborito ng pamakin for audio kanta mo sa Arrival. Arrival. Arnibal ng tahon ni
Nestle
Stel.
provides cocoa farmers
Ikaw na
worldwide
bahala.
with native shade and fruit trees.
Para sa mga grabe magmahal. Ikaw yun. Alin po? Thank you, Ate Zardy. Thank you po.
If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rain, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
November pa lang, Valentine na agad. No? Ganda na mas masabi ni Lola ko dito. Salamat po, Lola.
All of my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. Open my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed all this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I could love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time.
You're all... Thank you, Highness. Dalawang songs yan.
My Valentine's.
Hello po, Lola. May request po kayong song, Lola. Thank you, Highness. Dalawang songs yan. Sinend mo.
Na 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 na.
Old songs, ah. Wala naman ako maisip, bahala na sila.
And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of time, you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
Salamat po. Love me for what I am, Carpenter. Sige, kaya ko yan. Again guys, mga gusto mong nag-request, send lang po kayo dito. Ikaw, Hainas, anong gusto mo? Anong song? Ano, sa niya, sabihin mo lang. Yesterday once more. Sige. Alam niyo na guys, hinihintay ko lang yung hudyat niyo. Ano pa? Sanghay naman sa akin, Maestro. Hello, fiancé ni Ja. Kanina, ikaw yung nag-video kaya. Kanina ba ito kahapon? Ayun na, si Miao. Ate Hainas, pwede po bang love me for what I am? Ayun! Go po, Ate Zenya. Oh, love me for what I am. Andito pa si Ate Ann. Andito pa si Ate Beauty Touch. Love me for what I am. Kanina. Kanina pala yun. Nagulat ako dun sa nag-comment ng live mo kanina. May gusto ata sa'yo. Tapos tinatanong kung may asawa ka raw. Thank you. Paanong gulat? Salamat sa sa gifts, Hainas, and sa request, Zenya. Ano yung next nito? Yesterday once more? May isa pang song na pwede.
We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face. But lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always fighting something is wrong in what I do. But you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, but simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or all that I would be. And if you're fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go free.
Welcome back, Tiwin. Thank you po, Ate Ana Mitsuka.
I won't pretend to keep you what I have to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind. For all your expectations, love can never be desired. We either take each other for everything we are, or leave the life we made behind and make another start. You've got to love me for what I am, but simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or all that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Anong next song? Next song agad, hindi pa nga tapos.
using me to feed your fantasy. You're really not love, so let me go. I must be free. You're really not love, so let me go. I must be free. Si next song agad. Oh, ano next song? May pagganto-ganto pa ng damit to. Nakapantalon pa yan, hindi naman kita. Pumose na lang eh. Pause muna ako. Nakikringe ako pag nagpapakita ko. Ang cringe. Di ko kaya. Ayaw. Love the Faith, pwede pang date. O yan na, sino nang gusto makadate ako? Pero ganito nga lang nakachinelas lang ako. Yak! 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 Di ko kaya di ko kaya magpa-cute. Akala ko Mary Poppins. Ano yun, Mary Poppins? Parang naririnig eh. Wait lang. Mary Poppins. Ooh. Oh, ganun, vintage, retro vibes. Thank you, Tizania. Cute! Di halata. Akala ko, may palag. Palag na yan. Parang kakawi lang pala galing date, nakachine. Chinelas ko nga, pambabae po. Ano to, pa-reveal? Oh, chinelas to ng ate ko eh. Kaso wala na siya dito, nasa Japan na siya. Kaya ako na sumusuot. Ginagawa ko ng pambahay. Ang awkward man. Hanapin niyo kung alin dito yung mukha ko. Kung ito ba o ito. May isang kanta para, oo nga, ano nga gusto niyo? Cute ng kuko. Ayun yung kuko. Parang yung paa ko, parang paa ng patay, ang putla. Maputla siya, guys. Maputla yung feet ko. Parang paa ng patay. Sabi nga nung nagpa-foots pa kasi ako noon one time, saka nagpa-pedicure. Pagtingin ng paa ko, parang paa ng patay, ang putla, ang puti. Yesterday once more. Ito na nga, sabi ko nga, ito na, wait lang. Nanginginig pa.
Ito ang binla.
Good night, Pia. Foot lang pala. Okay na maputi. Ay, meow, thank you. Foot reveal ni Maestro.
When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile.
Grabe naman sa vibrato.
Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every oh-oh still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fun.
Nauna na po ako, Ma'am Lavi.
When they get to the part where it's breaking my heart,
Her pala.
it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed.
Thank you po, Ma'am Lavi.
Song of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine.
Thank you, Sheila.
All my best memories come back clearly to me.
Thank you po, Jacqueline.
Could even make me cry.
Bagal ng lyrics.
Just like before.
Sorry guys, ang bagal ng lyrics eh.
It's yesterday once more.
Sing with me.
Sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines.
Naka-old outfit ako kasi old songs ngayon.
Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine.
Ano po request niyo, Ma'am Lavi?
Every sha-la-la-la, every oh, still shines.
Sino ka dyan sa outfit? Ano po, wala lang. Retro ang atake natin kasi old songs. Ano pong request nyo? Kahit ano pa na Carpenters. Ano ba bang Carpenters? Ano pa bang Carpenters, alam mo? Tignan ko nga po. Kasi nakanta ko na yung ano eh. Love Me For What I Am. Saka ito. Close to You. Why Do Birds? Okay. If, sige po, if after po ng Close to You. Ano? Barbero? Ano yun? Close to You. Close to You requested for me, Ma'am Lovey. Thank you po. Hi, Nas. Ano na, hi, Nas? Joke sana kasi. Sorry, hindi ko na-gets. Nawalay tuloy. Hindi ko na-gets.
Why do birds suddenly appear? Ay, nag-send ba? Sige po. Every time
Sige po, after po ito.
you are near, just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair, a golden star in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Through the Years. Sige po, after nito, If, tapos Through the Years. Abot ko ba yun? Sana makayanan ko yung through the years para ang taas niya.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle on dust in your hair, a golden star and your eyes are blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you.
Oo nga, no?
All around,
Oo nga, ngayon ko lang naisip yan sa inyo.
just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Uy, ang cute!
Close to you.
Thank you po, Ma'am Lavi. Ang cute.
Close to you.
Thank you po. Bakit haha? Ito pala dapat. Sorry. Ito na. Para tayo ng mga Ate Beauty Touch. Mga trip na kantahan. Thank you po, Ma'am Lavi. Thank you, thank you, Clarice. Thank you, Tita Cecil. Alam, Ma'am Lavi.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the.
Andito pa ba si John?
If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to time, I'd spend the end with you.
Thank you po, Ma'am Lavi. Kaya si Tia din.
The world was true, then one by one, the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply fly
Ano to? Happy birthday? Hello, Asper. Hello po. Joke lang. Baka hindi ako sa Tia. Joke lang, guys. Ano yung next? After ng if, ano yung susunod? Ano, nakalimutan ko na. Thank you po, The Beauty Touch. Through the years, oh nga pala. Taas ng through the years. Pasensya na guys, ang taas nitong through the years. Yari kak talaga kay Tian. Oo nga eh, baka nagagalit na si Tian, ginagaya natin siya. Ate Precious, andito ka pa ba? Ate Precious, nandito ka pa ba? Oo nga po eh. Through the years. So far, after nitong through the years, wala pa po. Pasensya na agad ah. Kasi medyo may plema ako ngayon. Oo nga eh. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. Buti na lang tulog pa si Tian. Around the sweetest days I've found. May plema oh. May halak. I've never been afraid of the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. May gumaganon eh, may sumisingit eh. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. Lola Reme. Taught me everything. Nagbibigay. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We always work things out. I've learned my last about my loving you through the years. Ay, hala, napindot ko. Napindot ako. Ay, guys, through the years. Grabe. Grabe ba? Grabe. Ayan, dahil wala pang naka-line up na next song. Ito, hindi ko alam kung alam nito, pero feeling ko, alam to ng iba. Ilang beses kaya magbinata si Maestro for today. Oo nga eh, hindi ko alam bakit ako may plema. Wala naman nakaubo. May sumisingit lang. Siguro pagod, tsaka puyat.
Why, Chucky?
Alam niyo ba to? Sana alam niyo to. Hello, Lay.
Dito.
Gano'n kaluma? Feeling ko alam mo to, Tiwin. Kung akin ang mundo. Hindi ko masyado alam siya, Ate Beauty Touch. Kinakabahan ako. Pero kasi favorite ko rin to eh. Sana alam niyo. Feeling ko naman. Pero matagal na tong kantang to ah. aanuhin ko ata yung sarili ko ah.
What can I do to make you feel secure? Remove all your doubts so that you know for sure that you're the apple of my eye, fulfillment of my dream time. Push all the value
Oo nga eh.
of just what you mean to me. More precious than silver, more precious than diamond rings, or anything that I could give you. It wouldn't mean a thing if you didn't have my love beside you there to guide me through. But I need you to know you do know just how it feels. But this our love's for real. In time it will reveal the special love that's deep inside of us. Will all reveal in time.
Sunday's best.
I tell you I love you, but you won't believe it's true. More precious than silver, more precious than diamond rings, or anything that I could give you. It wouldn't mean a thing if you didn't have my love beside you there to guide me through. But any good to know you do know just how it feels. But there's still love's for real. In time it will reveal the spirit
Wait lang ah.
that's deep inside of us.
May narinig ba kayong ground?
So know just how it feels. But there's still love's for real. In time it will reveal the special love that's deep inside of us. But I'll reveal in time.
May ano kasi sa akin, may tawag dito? May ganun. May static kasi ako naririnig eh. Opo, static. Ganun.
But there's a loss for it. Time it will reveal the special love that's deep inside of us. But I'll reveal in time. Now just how.
Ito na ba yung mataas?
But there's a loss for it. Special love in of us. Will I reveal in time?
Baka nasira yung tenga niyo. Feeling ko ba batohin na ako ng kapitbahay? Saving all my love. Opo, Tiwin. Napakagaling. Thank you. Parang hindi ka naman nataas. Thank you, Tita Ceci. Gawenda. Ba't mo naman ako sinisigawan? Ah! Parang baliw eh. Ayan na po, ang hudyat ni Ate Win. Saving all my love. Good night, Mitsuka, Aubrey. Aubrey, hindi ka ng pakpak, Aubrey. Pwede na matulog ang mga bata. Aubrey, sabi mo kasi Aubrey eh. Ibang Aubrey pala yun. Pasan siya sa plema?
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got a family and they need it there. Though I tried to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you.
Naboses mo lang sa step. Bakit?
It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find love and on my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you.
Parang ano yung mic ko? Di ko mic ba?
To tell me we're gonna wait together. Love gives you the right to be free.
Hello, hello. Sabaw.
Say
Ako sabaw.
patient, just wait a little longer. But that's just an old fantasy. I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna care that I'm feeling when you walk through the door. 'Cause tonight is the night for a feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. The woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night that I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my loving. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. For you. For you.
O, yung bagal daw ng serving nyo. Ano yan? Grabe yung run. Anong run? Alin doon?
Ooh.
Yun ba? Mahilig ako kumulot eh.
We'll be making love the whole night through.
Thank you. Isang liyan po sa table 23. Saving all my love for you. Hoy! Meow! Isang bakit pa? Have a solo concert. Ay, thank you po. Wala pa po tayong budget. Sana mapansin tayo ng mga producers dyan. Wala pa yung ice. Kunin na ng onesie. O, kukulong na ako ng onesie kasi ginagaya ko sa Stel eh. Kung ganda talaga ng voice mo. Ang o kung. Thank you po, Miss Virgo. Nasend ko na yung tips sa kanta. Opo, salamat po, Ate Win, sa pag-request din. Thank you guys, ah. Thank you sa support. Huy, baka maiyak pa. Dahil gusto natin ng kulot.
Sa aking pag-iisa, alaala ka. Bakit hanggang ngayon ay ikaw pa rin sinta? Sa ating gabi,
Kulot.
sa pagtulog mo, hanap mo ba ako hanggang sa pag-ising mo? Kailanman ika'y inibig ng tunay. Huwag mong limutin pag-ibig sa iyong pinadama.
Hindi ako kulot eh.
Pintin ng puso'y huwag mong itago sa isang kahapon. Sana'y magbalik nang mabawi ang pagbuhay. Ba't hanggang ngayon ay ikaw pa rin ang mahal?
Sino?